Welcome! If you're looking to boost your privacy or simply want to stop Dropbox from accessing your phone's camera, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable camera access for the Dropbox app on your mobile device. This process is quick, straightforward, and puts you back in control of your data. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on that to open the list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, scroll through your apps and look for Dropbox. Once you spot it, tap on the Dropbox app to open its settings page. Here, you'll see several options, but what we're interested in is permissions. Go ahead and tap on Permissions to see what features Dropbox can currently access. Now you'll see a list of permissions like storage, contacts, and of course, camera. Tap on Camera to open the access options. You'll see choices such as Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. To completely block Dropbox from using your camera, select Don't allow. This change takes effect immediately, so Dropbox will no longer be able to access your camera for uploads or any other feature. That's it. You've successfully disabled camera access for Dropbox. If you ever want to re-enable it, just follow these same steps and choose the appropriate permission. Taking control of your app permissions is a great way to protect your privacy and manage what information apps can use. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.